If you've ever watched a James Bond movie, you've probably wished you could get your hands on some of the amazing and, quite frankly, insane gadgets that he uses to defeat his enemies. Unfortunately, real life isn't all cars with machine guns and helicopter chases. However, that doesn't mean you can't get access to some amazing pieces of technology. Here are 10 spy gadgets you can actually buy. Before we get started, make sure you hit that like button. Also, subscribe to our channel and turn on notifications so you can keep up to date with all our latest and most exciting content. We've included all the links to the products in this video in the description below, so head on down there for all the latest information and pricing. Number 10. Signal. Up first on our list is a gadget aimed at everyone who's ever worried about someone else eavesdropping on their phone calls. Signal is a specially designed bracelet that allows you to take calls by simply raising your fingertip to your ear. Your friends and family might think that you're actually a secret agent with this incredible gadget. The ability to answer your phone using just your fingertip is so futuristic that we're blown away here too. Signal allows you to privately enjoy your phone calls without any risk of anyone nearby overhearing what the other person on the end of the line is saying. Forget about Bluetooth headsets that not only make you look silly, but are also easy to lose or break. Signal nestles away on your wrist, just like a piece of jewelry or another accessory. Already wear a watch? Whether it's smart or analog, Signal has you covered. You can replace the existing band of your preferred timepiece with Signal and get all the benefits without the need to wear multiple smart devices on your wrist. Number 9. SkySaver. Batman has always had a few tricks up his sleeve, and the ability to quickly rappel out of dangerous situations is definitely one of the strongest ones. If you've ever wanted to feel like the crime-fighting Dark Knight of Gotham City, you've come to the right place. SkySaver is here to save you and your loved ones. It might be the height of cool to live in a high-rise penthouse apartment, but what do you do when disaster strikes? People living on the top floor of buildings face some serious challenges in the event that they need to quickly escape. SkySaver packs up into what looks like a standard backpack, allowing you to stash it away safely for emergency situations. Escaping out the window is as simple as attaching the SkySaver system to the specially installed safety hook and rappelling your way down the side of the building. There aren't many in-home safety gadgets that are quite this useful, and look as cool as this in action, that's for sure. Number 8. Zero Eye. Listening to music while running is pretty common, but it makes it hard to be alert to potential dangers. Zero Eye is a pretty special new hat with a hidden secret that makes this problem a thing of the past. 4 built-in bone conduction speakers allow you to listen to music and take calls just as though you were wearing headphones. Bone conduction works by sending a vibration directly into your skull, which then passes it into your eardrum and converts into sound. This is incredibly useful for anyone who needs to remain alert at all times, as it keeps your ears free to listen out for traffic and other threats. It connects to your smartphone using Bluetooth, the same as any other wireless headphones, and can even be used to make and receive calls. Zero Eye looks just like any other baseball cap, so the runners around you will never even know that you're packing away some serious technology under your lid. Number 7. Hidden Camera Detector. We often think of spies deploying hidden cameras to gather information on their enemies. But have you stopped to think about the counterintelligence tools that opposing agents use to find those cameras? The Hidden Camera Detector is one of those tools. While you might not be a super secret agent hiding government secrets, you probably don't want a shady hotel manager or Airbnb host to spy on you while you're changing. With the Hidden Camera Detector, you can easily identify any undercover CCTV in your room in just moments. Worried that someone might have tagged your car with a GPS tracker? Don't panic. The Hidden Camera Detector can also locate GPS units and other wireless trackers, even if they're hidden away. This gadget is incredibly useful for solo travelers and anyone who's safety conscious as it is, but it also doubles up as a high-end motion detector. Simply attach the Hidden Camera Detector to your luggage or handbag, and it will make a ton of noise if anyone tries to steal them. Number 6. Spy Slide. If you're watching this video on a laptop or a desktop PC, you probably got a webcam staring you in the face right now. But did you know that hackers can break into your computer and access the camera to spy on you? The inventors of Spy Slide knew this was a problem, so that's why they came up with this inventive new product. Spy Slide is a specially designed cover for your webcam. It slides open when you want to use the camera to record a call or just to chat with friends, and can easily shut again in less than a second when you're done. The sleek, premium aluminum design blends right in with high-end laptops such as MacBook Pros and the Dell XPS line. SpySlide has been designed to not only be functional, but also to be attractive, meaning that you don't have to sacrifice aesthetic for utility. Don't have a PC or laptop? SpySlide works perfectly with almost all mobile phones and tablet computers. Now that's handy. Number 5, car lock. Your car is probably one of the most expensive items you own, second to your home, and for most of us, our vehicles are an important part of daily life. Car lock is an exciting new product that brings smart protection features to your car without the need to upgrade to a newer model. Hidden away in the OBD port of your car, it's unlikely that a thief will ever find the car lock as they scramble to get away in your pride and joy. Car lock keeps track of your location, driving habits, the electrical systems of your car, and even vibrations such as those caused by impacts. All this information is delivered directly to your smartphone via a free-to-download app. You can create profiles for everyone in your household and receive a score based on the quality of their driving. Great for when the kids need to take the family car out for an errand. Want to lend your car to someone else? CarLock will alert you in real time if they're driving dangerously and not looking after your car. Number 4, Tile. Spy gadgets often revolve around surveillance and keeping tabs on other people. But what about a little helping hand to keep tabs on your stuff? Tile is an easy-to-use smart tracker that keeps an eye on where you leave your things. Unlike other trackers that use GPS technology that drains the battery down quickly, Tile takes an innovative new approach to tracking. Tile pairs with your smartphone or tablet using Bluetooth and will alert you if the Tile unit is moved out of range of your device. If someone steals your item, Tile can still help you. It uses an incredibly clever technique to locate your devices by searching for any phones in the area that belong to another Tile user. As soon as your Tile moves into the range of another user's device, it will send your phone a GPS ping with a precise location. Tile has a battery that lasts for at least 12 months, meaning that you stand more chance than ever of recovering your lost property. Number 3, Sammy Screamer. While gadgets like Tile are great for keeping track of your stuff, what about something to keep people from touching it in the first place? That's where the Sammy Screamer comes in. Simply attach the Sammy Screamer to your valuables, doors, or any other items you'd like to keep thieving hands off of, and leave it to do its work. When Sammy Screamer detects that someone is trying to tamper with your stuff, an alarm sounds that scares them off and notifies everyone in the immediate area that something's going on. Not only does Sammy Screamer make a ton of noise, but it also connects up to your smartphone via Bluetooth and makes use of a free app to notify you every time someone touches your things. Thanks to Bluetooth LE technology, the Sammy Screamer gets up to 3 months of life on a single button cell battery. There's also 30 meters of range, meaning that you've got plenty of wiggle room to move around. Number 2, Lifeguard. There comes a time when self-defense is the only viable resolution to a dangerous situation. Thanks to Lifeguard, you can always be prepared with this sleek and easy-to-conceal firearm. You might have seen some cleverly concealed weapons in many spy thrillers, but the Lifeguard is a real-life product that you can actually buy. Lifeguard folds down to the size of a standard credit card and is just half an inch thick. It weighs a pocket-friendly 5.5 pounds. That means that you can easily carry it with you wherever you go. It takes just seconds for Lifeguard to unfold into a .22 LR pistol, featuring a full-size handle and storage for up to 3 rounds. There's a lot to like about this amazing little gun. Built-in safety features make the Lifeguard just as safe to use as any other standard pistol, and there's even a feature that prevents the gun from firing while it's folded up. Number 1, Zenzo S-Ring. Wearable technology might not be limited to movies and video games anymore, but it's not always the best concealed. Introducing the Zenzo S-Ring, a high-tech piece of jewelry that features an incredible number of utilities. Zenzo S-Ring acts as a super convenient way to answer phone calls with enhanced privacy. It can store files, change music with gesture-based control, make NFC payments, keep track of your health, open smart locks, and even act as an alarm to wake you up in the morning. If you're looking for some features beyond the standard wearable options, the Zenzo S-Ring doesn't disappoint. It takes a page out of the Spy Master's Handbook and incorporates the ability to silently call for help without alerting attackers. The The Zenzo S-Ring is incredibly discreet, stylish, and easy to use without anyone around you noticing. It's the perfect spy gadget for anyone who needs a little extra in their day-to-day life. And that's 10 spy gadgets you can actually buy. If you enjoyed this video, please give us a like and let us know in the comments what you think. Check out our other videos and subscribe to be part of the fun. Click on the notification icon so you can see our new videos as soon as they're uploaded. That's it for now.